Jeremy, here's your 2Z harness. Just to go through everything with you. A lot of things have been added into the harness just to make things more simple. GX is a little different. So obviously you've got your oxygen sensor, your airflow meter we've wired in, so it comes out over here. Okay, so there's your airflow meter plug and your charge for your alternator. We've wired in a temperature. You'll find all of this on the 21 pin connector. Then obviously you've got your throttle. Okay, all of your injectors running down, injectors and coils. Don't forget when you put it in, you've got an earth strap at the back here, and you got another one on this cylinder head over here coming out of the harness. Okay, here's the fuse box that we've basically built into your harness. So in there you've got all your fuses, you've got your relays, you've got a earth if you want to do any testing, and then you've got your engine light. Okay, inside the fuse box cover will give you all the descriptions of what's what on the actual harness. Your four-wheel drive or your center diff lock is wired in, and basically I've just stuck it onto the engine ECU for you. Okay, this is your client plug. Right, so the bottom 6 wires are your accelerator. What I've done there is I've actually wired in your accelerator. Okay, so there you've got your connector. So you're just going to basically plug that in. I see you sent your sensor, so just make sure that you set that again so it doesn't go over. If you go over, what it's going to do is it's going to shut down the throttle. Okay, and then on your client plug, your center row, you've got your diagnostics. So you've got your OBD2, okay, and then your top row, you've got your 3 wires. You'll see, just get this so you can see what's going on. I've only got 3 wires connected to our start stand. Okay, so you've got your fuel, ignition, and start. Okay, and then the remaining 4 wires here are for your gauges, so your temperature, oil light, rev counter, okay, and charge light. And because you're running automatic, you get another one. You'll have all the pinouts for this. So this is all your center diff lock, all your park, reverse, neutral drive. All the automatic stuff is on this one. Okay. And yeah, I'll put on the air intake and whatnot, and then we'll start her up and send you a video of that. This side's basically exactly the same thing. We've wrapped everything up. When you put your cable in here, just make sure that you route it behind the aircon pump. It mustn't run through. I mean, you could just cable tie. You just want to make sure that it's not going to get caught up in the belts. Okay, going down to your crank sensor. Okay, and that's about it. So I've got the airflow on there. We'll give her a run. I can't run her very long because I don't have a water system on it. Hang on one sec. She runs nice. 2Z's always nice, man.